What's up, YouTube? Today is going to be a quick one. I'm about to make this plain and simple. This is a video that I've been wanting to drop for a minute. Today, I'm just going to show y'all what all I got done from the Odyssey. On my Odyssey, I'm going to start at the front and I'm going to make my way to the back. So, y'all stay tuned. We're going to see what I done. And my, I think I done had this car maybe 9 years. My 9 years owning this car. I think I bought this car in probably 2012. First thing first, I done went through plenty of motors. I went to two or three 8 series, 5-speed, all that, K series 6-speed, K series turbo, and I sold a turbo kit, opened up the barbershop. This is where I'm at right now. So before I get this bad boy running, because we almost there, before I get it running, I'm gonna show y'all what all I have done to it as of now. All right, stick with me. All right, so first thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start up front, from the outside. From the outside, first thing first, I did get this car painted, I think it's Fuji blue, something like that. Y'all know I can't read. I got it painted a few years ago out at Tricked Out Customs. I got it painted inside and outside. That includes the engine bay, as you can see right here. Next thing, after I went 8 series and I was racing people, but I didn't really have no top end, I got into an accident. So when I got in the accident, it was only one way to come back. Then I stuffed the K series in it. K24. This is the same motor that I've had for maybe, I think I went K series in 2015, 2016. I went K series, somewhere around there. Don't quote me for it. This motor was built by Ray's Performance. It's a K24 CRV engine. It's got oversized pistons in it. It's got the lock K series cams in it. It's got a CRV head on it. It's got the Type S oil pump, and I think that may be about it. You know what I mean? It's got very low miles on it because I barely ever drive this car. So moving on from that, recently we did just switch this car to an all-wheel drive transmission, as y'all can see down there. You see back there in the back, you see that drive shaft, that little thingy right there, that's a drive shaft that go to the back. All right, I do got an aftermarket radiator in it that I got built over at Florida Performance. Front mount intercooler leading up to the new turbo kit that we just installed. I had a turbo kit on here before, but I had a top mount in the back, and then I just didn't like it. So, you know what I mean? We done switched on from that. Now we coming back. I did go to a smaller turbo. I did have a bigger turbo, Netix turbo on here one time. So this time, I'm not too familiar with turbo. I went with a smaller eBay turbo this time. The reason I went eBay is just because possibly I might not like it. Possibly it might not put out enough power. I only paid $200 to $300 for it. I think it's a ball bearing turbo. I need to get it moving before it seizes up. Still look pretty good. So that's it. I have yet to order my injectors. I ain't buy those yet, but I have been looking at them, and I'm not really too sure what I'm going to do. We got steel braided lines from the front all the way to the back on this car. All the old fuel lines are going off of this car. So got an RBC on there. We got a competition clutch on there. We got the racing cables on there, and then that's gonna be about it for the front end. So coming to the inside, we're gonna check it out. It's looking kind of rusty busty in here, but remember, this is a race car. This is not a street car. This ain't a show car. This ain't none of that. When I get this car running, when I'm driving it, it's gonna be all about business. I ain't gonna be playing with you. We got a knockoff shifter over there. We did have to go through some trials and tribulations to figure out why it wasn't working, and we just had to buy the bracket to go with it. So now it is working, and we can go through the gears, and they're sounding good. Oh, and another thing is, this is not a regular 5-speed CRV transmission, all-wheel drive transmission. This transmission, we switched it from 5-speed to 6-speed using TSX gears, so they're a little bit shorter. Next thing, we got an S2000 cluster in there. I'm probably one of the only people running an S2000 cluster in this car. I've had this S2000 cluster in there maybe 2017, something like that, 2016, I don't know. But we got an S2000 cluster in it. I'm kind of iffy about putting the aftermarket steering wheel in here just because of accidents. I don't ever want to wind up hitting it. So until I make up my mind what I want to do, this is what we're rocking. I'm also rocking K-Pro ECU on here. That reminds me, I do got ARP head studs on that engine. Competition clutch, same thing. Now let's make our way to the back real quick. Make our way to the back. Down at the bottom, y'all see the axles on it. We got these custom arms that are made by S1 built. S1 did do my all-wheel drive conversion. You can see the plate back there. S1 did my all-wheel drive conversion. We got an external fuel pump now. That's the fuel filter, fuel pump in front of it. And now we're running the fuel cell in it too. So the 15-gallon fuel cell. I just finished up my breather hose, which lets the, like if the gas gets hot or whatever, it lets it breathe out to the other side. Comes out down here. I'm gonna put a filter on it, and then I'm gonna put it up under the car where not too much dirt and debris can get to it. One thing I want to show y'all is these arms that I just made. In the back, if you notice, there weren't no arms on there. I just handmade these camera kit arms, these upper control arms right here. I took the regular upper control arms and I turned them into camera kits. So I just painted them silver. Now all I'm doing is waiting for them to dry up so I can put some clear coat on them. So if they ever get dirty, it'd be easy for me to wash them. So that's it. Y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, stick with this video. We're gonna be running soon, all that good stuff. Hit that bell for notifications when I do get this car running, because you want to be the first one to see it. You don't want to be the ones where people be sending it to you in your DM, you know what I'm saying, trying to tell you, oh, you gotta look at this, you gotta look at that. You want to be the first one to see it. So hit that notification button. Y'all get with me, man. It's Freeway Savage. I'm out. Thank y'all for tuning in. That's an update on my Odyssey. We almost there. Y'all get it.